Hisbah commander arrested after they catch up on top of another man's wife for hotel room. Hey, Chineke, I know some of you now go dey confused. Hisbah cops now one religious police force where they for Kano State. They deal with they arrest beggars, they arrest prostitutes. In fact, many wahala. And this man where they talk about in duty now to arrest unmarried people. People wey never marry, when he catch them for hotel room, now in duty be that too. When he himself he can't end up the fall inside that same gutter. No be the one way they see say it don't happen, I don't tell her, it don't happen, I don't they don't catch her. This one, bush meat don't catch hunter. Imagine saying in duty now to arrest them. Now, I bet who can arrest this one now? Nigeria is full of drama. Nigeria. The man don't, he be like say you don't tire to the catch people. The thing don't hold out. You know, feel hold again. You just say, Madam, let's just do this thing. And I saw they go catch him red hand. This man where they tell you about you know they alone no. They get group. I said they be police force for Kano. These people go different people's bar. All those places where they sell drinks. They go destroy everything as long as say na alcohol. They go destroy and break camp. Say, you know they allow, it they against their religion, it they meanwhile now them they drink now them they say if you see where these people they drink, you go they pray, you go they may they take easy, may they take na lie. Bloody hypocrites everywhere. Now go they do. But when person do, you can't be like say na person they sing pass. When a life just be like this, I'm not just understand. You know say they do something. At least they get how you go even treat people based on say for your mind. You know say I always they do this thing. So make a tamper justice with mercy. But no, there are plenty now because we just catch this one. There are plenty. If you see where they gang, the way these people just they take religion personal. They don't even take religion more than the thing where they supposed to take serious. They don't forget their obligations. Now they just you know, I don't know if you not even understand. You know when you don't they used to waking up 5 a.m. in the morning and the first thing you must do is drink water. It's not as if you are doing it because you want to live healthy. You are just doing it because that's how they train you. That's how now so they live now. They break drinks anyway they say alcohol, anybody where they say they humanize, they arrest them. No be because they get knowledge of what they do. Now just because say okay they say make we do it. Evil people everywhere, every corner. Now wow. And now this one they parade themselves. They parade themselves. They say they work for Allah. They work for Allah. I beg, I know they against Allah. Are they against the fake life when they live? Now my own be that. I know the like person way go they behave A, then when they see other people they behave B, then when they see, I know they like them. If you are straight, be straight. If you bend, be bent. Now no go just keep on a sense for one place. Make you know say okay, at least these people get sense. Now they destroy people's back. They break their drinks, but yet they don't catch you now with another man's wife. Not be even say another person girlfriend or wife. She's married. So now this one, what they go do to her? As usual now, we already know. Hello, we know how they work. They go just leave this one now and make it go. They're not go do anything. Oh, this one they just they bring her, they do a serere. Nothing. Tomorrow now you go see and they parade the streets of Kano. Like say now your papa get the whole of Nigeria. Now so they do. These people, I don't tire for their matter. And they show say the same alcohol now where they destroy for people, but now waiting him and this married woman use. Now waiting two of them use take bola themselves, you understand? They hit themselves before the main action will take place. I just imagine for how long this man don't they do this thing. I just imagine because for the first thing we catch them now, no me say nah it just happened. It means say this thing it don't they go on, it don't they go on, it don't they go on. So now God just say, Oga, your cup don't full. For how long will I go they deceive people? And they imagine how people even they live in fear in that Kano. Fear. Because they know how their people they behave. If una like deny me till tomorrow, I know say this man he get gang. He oga self. they know how they connect their wires. No be the same thing will happen to Osama bin Laden. Now the same thing. They experience the thing from teenagers. They use the teenagers, they practice wetin they see. See, all these things we know. So if una like cover up, bring them out, we know be today. Why una dey pretend? No be so na even dey feed person self. We dey on our own. You understand? But the only thing be say, now as this matter don come out, biko, all of una just dey respect yourself. Bia, all the people from Kano, as una dey listen to me now because I know say una dey listen to me. You understand? See, no allow anybody intimidate you now. Because it's obvious. This thing we don't dey talk and see, but una no dey listen. Now we don't come out. If they obvious say these people, they no get any value. Forget them. You understand? Live your life well. No disrespect anybody, but at the same time, no take nonsense from people. Because see people where they fear. At the end, wait till they do. See, I don't tell you this thing before. Behind the scene, the kind things where una go they see, una go shock. But when they come in front of una or in front of TV, they do like say they be righteous people. They be now today as they for back. I better forget those people. My people now I say make I bring this matter so that when I go there where waiting don't happen now. And this thing a big shame, big disgrace to all of una way they inside this Hisbah commanding a big police force, a big cops, anyone where you know say you belong. Shame on all of you. I bet my people drop your comment for the comment section. I don't get time for these people. And make sure say you share this video because they need to hear this message. And if you never subscribe, me and una go fight too. We go fight too. Just click on that thing. Very simple something. Stay tuned for our next story. Wahala be like Nigeria. You know they finish. My people, if una see wetin just hit me now, I even still dey recover. Seriously, this police person just catch 2 gay partners. You understand? People where they he catch them, he not just catch them, he can't ask them question. After they don't beat them, they don't beat if you not even see their body. Hey! You go even pity for these people. They beat them finish, they still they video them on top. They ask them, in fact, the kind things where they ask them, I don't want to talk with my mouth, you understand? Now why I just want to go straight to this point. So for now, when no wait till they happen now for Naija, the matter they very, very serious. So join me, make we watch the video.
Oh yeah, now they talk. I wanna tell they fuck each other. How many times fuck her? Why you know you are they talk? How many times fuck her?
3 times now fuck her.
Eh?
3 times.
3 times now you fuck her?
Yes, sir. You carry condom for us. Some man of fuck with empty quick. Man use condom. Inside small bag, the condom, the extra condom sit inside.
Eh.
Yes.
How many times suck your dick?
As in for 1 hour safe, I never stick on. They suck mistake. That other because they open the room, they distract us. Because they bless. Because man not lock. Because they lock the door, give us that my body. Because they steady sucking. That because I say, oh Bob, relax. So now you tell me say you just come me. So I not do. But I used to control me from whichever just come. They ask you say as you carry me close.
They open your eye, they talk.
Sag must fuck him. I swear to God, I fuck her 3 times. I fought 3 times.
Huh?
How
many times fuck your yash?
I'm not like when you fuck me, he not release. But the fuck me more than like 2 hours, you still they fuck me.
More than 2 hours?
Yeah.
You see they fuck you?
Yeah.
Eh?
Wait now.
Talk now.
Why make you not flog me now?
No flog her now. Come face your wife.
See my back.
Face your wife now. Mona face each other.
My wife on a business, only for giving money.
Yes, sir. We are face her now. But not you fuck her.
They find 3,000.
Oh yeah.
No.
How many times now you go fuck her?
3 times now fuck her. 3 times now fuck.
3 times now you pour for yash.
Yes.
How many times you suck your dick?
For 1 hour now I suck my dick.
1 hour.
Yes, sir.
Now you suck your dick.
Yes.
Young man.
Sir.
How many times you suck in dick? Talk the truth.
Yes. Like what is judge for so 1 hour see the socket.
You know he come.
Eh?
He come.
No, he not come.
He not come.
He not come, yeah.
He not come. How many times he fuck you?
Normally all the fuck now for parlor.
How many times he fuck you?
Now you just fuck me 3 hours now we fuck. So normally I was not cutting this fuck based on he just there on top of me.
How you got do I tell you? Lie down means don't hide una thing.
You not even like
Sure.
that, sir. You not like that.
Oh, no, wait.
Yeah.
Keep quiet now. Not talk. Oh.
Sorry, sir.
Oh yeah, do as you said for her. Do it till they fuck you, Marcia.
But that didn't not flog my back.
They not go flog your back.
You know, do it, go
Do it now.
Okay, see you, sir.
Oh yeah, you stand up.
Oh yeah, stand up. Do it. How you doing? Like do it now. Bend down now. Okay.
Open the trouser.
No. Huh?
I just do.
Now so he did, but he back go deep where we get the come like woman on for a shower quarter.
Yeah.
Now go the fuck am.
How you till the fuck her do
Now
it?
start the fuck am, bro. Instead
Huh?
the fuck am.
For how many hours so?
From after 2 to almost 4 o'clock.
Now you fuck her.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, it's okay.
Now wow. Now if you not go agree with me, no be only girls they do runs. Now we don't get runs, boys too. Because based on the story we una don't hear now, now go understand say the guy do one because of money. Now wow, my people, as una watch this video now, I dey so many of una, some of una laugh, some of una cry. I don't know whether una cry, but if una ask me, this video, you know too funny. It ain't funny, but not too funny. See, if you now they see me where una go no say every day I dey talk against these people. I know they support them. In fact, 1,000%, 1,000,000%. I be number one. We know they support this thing. But at the same time, I know they like when people they treat human beings like say they be animal, like say they no exist. You understand? I don't support them. But I don't like the fact where police see the treatment where they give these people. It's not fair. Because see, una go they clap, una go they yes, hail them. The same policeman where they deal with these people, una don't check in life. Una don't check in lifestyle, no at the ask. Because now wait till they want make una see, they go show una. Africa. See, we don't get the same choice. Times go come where you go against person choice or person likes. You understand? Not be the same thing, but beating them no go bring solution. Embarrassing them, I be disgracing them, it no go make them change. Una don't understand. In fact, after they recover from this thing, they go come go do the one way worse past that one. See police people where they, in fact, they be law on their own. Police people now, them even be the law. See what they do. And this one now, where they do for their mind, they punish person, they discipline person. Not be like this, they discipline. The only thing we wanna go achieve now to show citizens, say, now like this, una supposed to treat gay, now like this, una supposed. Now they understand why Donald Trump even make statement when he make when they call us shithole countries. Now they understand that. No, what be the difference between the shithole when talk and the behavior where police people they give us? What is the difference? There's no difference. If the law, according to Buhari administration, I be the Nigerian administration, if the law talk say, okay, anybody will do homosexuality, make they arrest them, lock them up. Now what did the law talk? No be me. So lock them up. The law never say beat them, disgrace them, video them, do this one. Why you go humiliate people when you know say even you yourself, you know be perfect? I beg, no get me wrong. I don't talk this thing like 3 times. I no support them. I talk about homosexuality. I no support them. But at the same time, police don't do bad. Now poverty they cause all these things now. You don't go blame them. Now poverty. Imagine say these 2 guys now wanna just watch. Imagine say they get money, they get cars, all those exotic cars, they get house, mansion. No, imagine. This thing go be like this. Everybody go see and waka pass. They go waka pass. In fact, they go even they hate them. They go even they send love emojis. The way they say and now where they do for Bobrisky. They fit try this thing for Bobrisky. No, I just they ask una. Because now I go they say I just they overtalk. Try and for Bobrisky now. See Bobrisky where they Nigeria, they walk up and that even they do selfies, they teach. Now she don't even become ladies teacher. Nobody talk, oh. Nobody go look for and say we go beat you, we go video you. The only difference between these people who are just watch now and Bobrisky now money. Na money. If you like, agree. If you like, no agree. I don't talk my own. If you dey against these two, I don't even know what I even want to call them. But if you dey against these two, and you dey support Bobrisky, you are the biggest hypocrite I've seen in my life. Biggest one. Some people go even they preach against homosexuality. Some go they talk about that. You don't turn song self to our ears. But go check them. If Bobrisky post something, they don't go like him. They don't go to hail him. I even see one where even shock me. Like, you don't understand. I don't even feel talk. Person they tattoo Bobrisky face, Bobrisky name. In fact, not be smart, you know, my people. I bet, hey, I just say una go dey doubt now. So I bet for una we no know, una we never see him before, because me I know sabi like. Join me, make me watch out. Woo, 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 woo. Yes. My people, you feel dey against something. You feel dey against somebody without violence. Violence no be answer to things. Abeg, that policeman, we need look for that man. He need pay for wetin he do, because this thing is harassment. This is harassment. We need look for him. You understand? Now, why you need share this video so that people wey know in voice, maybe person fit know in voice, you go come tell us. It is very, very important. We need look for him. So now my own be this. So I don't talk. If you get any information so far, whether in name, where they stay, with family, anything, drop them for that comment section. We go look for this guy. You understand? So drop your comment for the comment section. Very, very important. And if you never subscribe, make sure say you subscribe. You understand? I dey beg una with my people. And make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey share for one-on-one TV. Very, very important. Don't go far. See you later.